Yep, I am. Want to commentary on any of it?
Oh, folks, you are looking at Tropical Storm Isaac on the Atlantic side. I don't think it's on the east coast of Florida, down in West Palm Beach. As you see the water rising up as the water just comes in, it rose up about 2 feet in the last 15 minutes. News reporter Tina Dzon is taking video of the storm as it ravaged the side of the coastal line of West Palm Beach, Florida. We don't know how long this will last, but for now we were hunkering down as the storm punishes the coastal line.
Amazing. It is flipping amazing. Oh, those waves breaking over there off the breaker. That's freaking awesome. Look at that. Whoosh. Look how big they are. You can't even see in my picture, but... And I can't expand...
No.
If you're doing a video, you can't expand it, but... On the breaker walls, they're freaking... Well, I don't even know how big they are.
The swells are like 4 feet. It is just covering the breaker wall as you speak.
There was some surfers on there earlier. They'd be washed away right now.
We have rain going sideways.
We are completely safe, believe me. We are in our
We're in a bunker. Down at the Marriott Resort.
Ocean Point.
Ocean Point.
Great spot to be at, just saying. Not like we're doing a commercial or anything, but you know. We are very safe where we're at. We're on our balcony, hanging out, taking pictures of this beautiful storm. What an experience. Austin's sleeping through it all. He decided he wasn't too interested in it, so.
Help me, I gotta get out of here!
You're so retarded. Here, hold this. I think the waves are very mild right now. They were quite big earlier. That's what I'm saying?
Yeah, can anybody come down? I'm out of beer.
Yeah, not happening. We have plenty of beer. Just... the waves really aren't that crazy right now. It's pretty mild.
Well, because the ocean is just rising up. It just can't break.
Holy crap, it's raining. It feels awesome, let me tell you. A new experience.
See what happens when you don't treat Mother Earth right? God gets mad. Keep polluting his world. He'll get mad. Wash you all away.
Look, everyone, we are safe, everyone. Don't worry. Keeping ourselves safe. Just hanging out. Love you all.